Easy now. Right, there's all your names. In with all the treasures inside our pyramid. Well, the Reese and Jaden's pyramid. And we've got Reese and Jaden here who are going to pick out two names. Little did you know, the first name that gets picked out is going to win the Dutch pot, so they can pass the Dutchie on the left hand side. And the second winner is going to win a free side dish with every order that they make for the next month on the stall. So Jaden, without further ado, son, can you please go into the pyramid and pick a name out? Open it out and turn it to the camera for me, please, Jaden. Let's have a look. Who's that? Well, look at that. David Jones, you have won yourself a medium-sized Dutch pot. Congratulations, mate. Next up, Reese, can you pick out another name, please, for our second winner? And can you show it to us, please? And the second winner is Emma Reeves-Kipps, who will now win a free side dish with orders throughout a month. So that's, you can have it with a delivery or if you come and collect it from the stall. But when you place your next order, you will win those free side dishes. Okay then, well that's it for today. What do we say to them? Say it easy now.
Easy now.